Hi everybody, and this is how you can add a YouTube video to your announcement in Google Classroom. So open your class in Google Classroom. I've made this class and I'll just start and announce something. So here we're just going to click this YouTube icon and then you can paste the link or the URL of the video that you want to share. For example, my video, this one. And then you can see that now you have a preview of your video that you have just, picked to share it in your announcement. And then you can just add video if you have confirmed. And now your video is added. But now, why can't I post this announcement? Because an announcement need to have a text. You need to announce something. You cannot just share a video, but you need to announce something. For example, check this video, please. Example, and then you can have the option to post. And then when you post, you can see that the title or the body text is here and the video is here. Well, I'm just going to edit this announcement and add a new video. And then click the search icon, and then I will have another preview of my video. And then I'll just click add video. Now, there are two videos. I'll just click save. So the announcement is changed and you can see that there are now two videos and you can see there are next to each other. And that is my tutorial for today and for now. Bye!